guys! Today, we are gonna do some exploring, right?
Yeah.
Luna might come with us. We're gonna explore outside.
Like to explore the forest and to explore new things.
Yeah, we like to see what we can find out there.
Yeah.
What we hear.
Yeah.
What we see.
Yeah. We might see some footprints on our way, like deer or moose or little squirrel tracks.
Yeah. Have you guys ever seen footprints before? Outside in the mud or in the snow or on your driveway? Because we have, right?
Yeah. We have seen it in the snow.
Yeah, we have seen them in the snow. Are we ready to go outside?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We're ready to go outside. We got our coats on.
Yeah.
Get Luna on a leash and let's go.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Whoa! Show them this. It's ice. It's ice crystals. Here are ice crystals. So smooth stuff. They're crystals. Can you find them in your yard? Scream! This guy. I never seen him before. This is an oak leaf. It has like spots and colored. Do you have oak leaves at your house? I found bunny poop or something. It's rather kind of like have like a little circle around it, and it's kind of like black and brown mixed together. Whoa, birch! Look, it's pink. It has a little bit of frost right there. It's pink. Last time I found blue bark. It was like purple and blue. Under all this dirt, there's creatures living down there. And
What is it?
it's one of those pink seeds. I don't know what kind of seed it is. Look, a big sign. It's good for a fan.
Whatever you guys find outside, we want to know. Let us know in the comments, right?
Yeah.
And we'll respond back to you. Bye, guys. Thanks for
Bye.
adventuring outside with us today.
Bye.